Badang do klas ki samla pule na po ka Ri-Lum Jaiñtia hadu mynta. Na kaliang ka Jaiñtia Student Union JSU sengmi mynta ka sing balang kala pelong da ka Ïakhih da ka basyong kalan mengor halat yang nang ba Government College Jowai. Kadba ki dukat ka seng ringkat ki samla pule badang do klas bat ki kimi ki pa ki dang pelong ka Ïakhih bajar-jar na kaliang ki board district Lingbao additional SP West Jaiñtia district kilawan khot ki nong ilam ka Jaiñtia Student Union JSU syakami jingkran. Kaseng kalong lada ka board district kakular ban ai da ka jingtho sya kaseng ban pendrong admission sya baroh ki kena bampat yo kelas kaseng ka hon ban sange yakani ka Ïakhih ka Jaiñtia Student Union JSU sengkimi hadin bala khat kerki de ki board district Lingbao deputy commissioner banyakran halor ka jingdo kelas ki kena hapo Ri-Lum Jaiñtia na kaliang jong ka seng kam sngo hun ya ka jingkandu yu deputy commissioner hapadeng ka jingker ki bat ka jingningkot banyata ya kani ka jinge ki samla pule ka seng klakran shai bakan nang beteng ya ka Ïakhih haki sngi banwan katba kimpat yo ya ka jingdawa ka babyang kata ban pynioh klas ya baroh ki kena hapo ka Ri-Lum Jaiñtia. Hakane ka jingshong kalan mongor ki babon na kinongkran ki pensngo sya ka sorkar baka day ban shimkya mador ya kane ka jinge jong ki khon samla ka ba le ru ban pendo jingkerman ya ka laway jong ki ka sorkar ka day ban wat kilat ki linti ban pynioh klas ya ki khon samla namar ki babon na ki samla ki badang do klas mynta ki day ki bawan na ka long ying long sam ka badung bat kimla satya ban let pule sya ki school ni ki college shimen kabakta ya kayo kakot jongki la pensngo kita ki samla pule haringkat ke jingyam sngosi
lei higa wahet kam tapi ke JSU dai mesti berpesat higa nak school Henry Hughes Jadi kerana lo bagi dia cuma yang iman juga ibarat kantam ni kita kelas yang ibarat oh kepada lagi sorkar oh joi kantam ni kita lagi nak kira lagi joi cakap itu yang lain yang ini jadi kita wana ni jadi yang ini sini kerana joi dan ni ai masih lang ibarat kantam ini lok wan lang ini sini i video Ïakhih bat kantam da i video kantam kepada pi kam sorkar yo pi ini video chonglang ini ro kam ki pada i kwai yo i da kelas o i kam ki kena em kwai chong yung ni mo bi ki kam yang patai dan ni mo bi ni wo de tin ja Kuai yo pas yo nak sekolah yo teknologi start yo man kam kita kon yo nama pista pi la kuai start lang kam kuai do pi le yo pi chong pi nan hi tu kam yo lang pi kon godo kom yo la sekolah ski private breaker mani wagini ji ki yang pi le lang yo pi to ini den plecho Henry ban kertari na phi ki JSU lai sagni yo i kelas ki yong i hagni ka pura ka puthi ki yong i le kan jo re i pan na jingkar chan na phi ki JSU kan jo ina ka sarkar le uwan upai yo ga i kena andre phi yo phi i kena ki wodo i kelas ki yong i kamjo la ipani na pi upai uyo pi iki kena siasi ini naga umyo ki kelas yang do tiar do dem iu berhadi kini ke kelas hendai katela dapat dengan jingkerman hendai sen kesini rayo hi hendai pi dapat pi ini kena skor hendai ngambil dia kelamit hi cibon keten kubrai cibon cicanul.
gua yang ini gajing rawa yang ini kesni gajing Ïakhih dang jor gua cekmat ni man gua kesen gua kado ukut i student wikna Hendrai ini gua pa i cipai yang i member yang i gua gi circle unit gua cikelain gi cirang yang Ri-Lum Jaiñtia gua di hajar mut Hendrai dalian gua sorkar ada respon ya i bansi habduk nyom ni kesekretariat le ne bentau pynioh klas ikna keniman ka assurance gi bagi pa gi student wan ni gesni Hiji sekian ida bercanggih pentip cek student di guper gua wan i pertu ci de ina liang yang i negasni de emle gajing phone de liang deputy commissioner de liang additional SP le de wan i chem gi de kerpat gi le i to wan i segeme eklam hendrai ina liang JSU i kwa ga district administration wan ga heni ki tau ga meeting yang i nei bentau i gerengkat gajing itu open scam moto pynioh klas yang baroh mbong to dukat ki kena guan ni gesni memle uang itu kitu ki kena gu e cigi NGO ikwa to sendio klas to yo lut baroh yo do klas.
So you are demanding double shift so that more people can.
We are demanding the double shift. There are more than 100 students left. We are not yet committed to any institution. If the government have any solution better than us, we will accept it. But the thing is that these students will get admitted. That's only our demand. If it's not our demand, if the government have a better solution than us,
So when the pass percentage is also increased.
now it's last recently the supplementary examination result also out. It also added to the number of students are not yet admitted.
Now it come 96%.
Yes.
We are running of crisis about unemployed, but now we have to run about uneducated also. But at the same time,
Today we organize this program purely because we have sent the names to the government, to the JSU. Now we want to show the true face of students who are not yet admitted.
so do you have the list of those who need
Now we are preparing.
How much about
We are preparing.
last week got more than 200 or more than 200. But day by day the people try to search new admission in private institution. It might be. But let's see how the true student
More importantly, sir, the students they belong to poor family background. They cannot afford to go to any private institution. That is the main problem we are facing. As a student leader, they keep on calling to secretary,
These
myself,
government
all my
girls,
members.
women,
We don't have
they have
any
morning
other
and day. But boys, they have only 40. Okay, no more.
One more thing, last week we met the chief minister. We really think that with the head of the state, we really think that he will solve the matter in 2 or 3 days. But no response from government.
He also
That is
assured
why we
you
have to
during a
resort to
meeting,
this
right?
kind of protest.
I was not. Assured that okay, we'll look it over like that.
Yeah, he already assured. Don't
He's going to
worry.
examine.
But
Yeah,
the only
one
solution
week-
we have till now is silence. Government, they just don't respond.
It's better this is call for a meeting.
Just now they told me from them. So they want to meet us.
Hopefully, we will solve it.
Hadin ura penmani gajing Ïakhih ni gesni ha la college. Ina liang Jaiñtia student union central body. So kumen ni wa na liang dibagi pa kana school the one sini ga sit in demonstration yang ini. Perdi orang penmani ini gajing elang liang ga office deputy commissioner. Tutup ke ina elang wani chem wi kelam gajing so gani gamat. Hadin ura lai chemi wa deputy commissioner. Yo ile ga kubor wa neliang ga office ng district school education the penmi additional stream kamu man ga ni buntali bahagi skor penmi adu ga commerce ga art stream te ga win ga jingali wa den wa da yo chamo bisi ga jingilang man ga tubian ba wa neliang yang ga body nyam man satisfied wa yo luti bahai ne kat ga office deputy commissioner kar pule do yang district at least you should give some time you discuss ini bentar ni isu. Kang wa siang si wa kat deputy commissioner ran. Injak bahaya kelam itu orkom. Kesan le tadi nak penmi ini additional stream. Wa aktif si. Wa neliang ga sorkar. Wa aktif wiwo. Jadi itu gini kai. Gini udah pen upgrade gini stream sebagai higher secondary school. To imo gini kai aga sorkar utung. Gini no hikai. terus kau wih bentar lek kau au kelam che hai ni wa ini kena uduk kelas ni besni bon go wan long yung uduk ibagi pang ki waki melah em le perdiam ki warep bon giwa melah ne te daw ye gi upa skor economy ki private institution kini kena ubon to go apply kelas apok yang nang ba higher secondary school kama government boys kang ikwa aktif ne wa ini gi shift ini gi stream open mi daga office JSU wa aktif wa office common jai ne liang ga sarkar to ga sarkar o ber gani expenditure ma office ko he mo bo gini private institution lo to ne liang ga government wa gini stream wadang permit ni go man go office yung ka wirang kat wa gini government institution kate da man go ba e ndra iga question ko ay bo ga sa liang ga government wa hab igi ga jubab wa common jai kate kom thung no hikai gi common jai go office ai jing to gini shift ni stream wadang permit megi ne liang ga Jaiñtia student union na do ga Ïakhih ini ga sngi da ong iwa kan pynioh klas kini kena ora jing Ïakhih ong iulai ga chakamat ini program go Ïakhih next ida open bana belajar